Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today, we have a highly requested comparison video that will help you choose the perfect treadmill for your home or office.
On the left, we have the GOYOUTH 2-in-1 electric treadmill, and on the right, we have the Home Fitness Code walking pad treadmill. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with everyone's favorite topic, price. The GOYOUTH treadmill comes in at $469, while the Home Fitness Code treadmill is priced at a more affordable $169. Now, I don't know about you, but I like saving some money while getting a great product.
So the Home Fitness Code takes the lead in this round.
Now let's talk about the heart of these treadmills, their motors.
The GOYOUTH treadmill features a powerful 2.25 HP motor, perfect for running, jogging, and walking.
On the other hand, the Home Fitness Code treadmill boasts a 2.5 HP self-developed motor.
Both are quiet, but the Home Fitness Code takes a slight edge with its higher power.
And hey, we all know that power is important, right?
Next up, let's discuss the running surface. The GOYOUTH treadmill offers a spacious 15.75 x 41.34 non-slip rubber running belt, providing a comfortable and secure experience. Meanwhile, the Home Fitness Code treadmill offers a larger 38.5 inches x 15.2 running area, ensuring you have enough room for a comfortable workout.
It's like having your own personal jogging track. Score 1 for the Home Fitness Code.
Now let's dive into the features that these treadmills offer. The GOYOUTH treadmill comes with a multifunction LED display that shows time, calories, steps, speed, and distance.
It even has a Bluetooth speaker, so you can jam out to your favorite tunes while you sweat it out.
On the other hand, the Home Fitness Code treadmill offers a remote control and an LED display for easy speed adjustments and tracking your workout data.
Both have their unique perks, but I have to say, the GOYOUTH treadmill's Bluetooth speaker wins me over.
Who doesn't want a personal DJ during their workout? Let's talk about portability now. The GOYOUTH treadmill is easy to move and store thanks to its built-in transport wheels. You can effortlessly roll it around and save space when you're not using it.
Similarly, the Home Fitness Code treadmill is incredibly lightweight, weighing only 39.2 pounds, and it also has wheels for easy maneuverability.
It's a tie in this category. Both the GOYOUTH 2-in-1 electric treadmill and the Home Fitness Code walking pad treadmill have their own strengths, but it ultimately depends on your personal preferences and budget. And that's a wrap, folks.
Remember, it's important to choose a treadmill that suits your fitness goals and lifestyle.
Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product comparisons and reviews. Stay smart and happy shopping!